Hello everyone, I, Namrata Rathod, Assistant Professor of Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry in Smriti College of Pharmaceutical Education, Indore. Today we discuss about the cycloalkane. Introduction of cycloalkane, the carbon atom which are attached to the one another to form ring are called cyclic compound. Aliphatic cyclic compound or cyclic aliphatic hydrocarbons are called alicyclic compound because they resemble aliphatic compound in the most of their properties but possess cyclic structure. Like aliphatic hydrocarbon, alicyclic hydrocarbon may be saturated or unsaturated in nature. Now discuss about the what is cycloalkane. Cycloalkanes hydrocarbon with 3 or more carbon atom in a ring are called cycloalkane. Cycloalkane example is a single unsaturated carbon ring which form a homologous series similar to the unbranched alkanes. For example, there are many examples of cycloalkane. First is cyclopropane. The molecular formula of cyclopropane is C3H6 and basic structure is 3. There are 3 carbon present in this ring. It is known as cyclopropane structure. The second structure is cyclobutane. Cyclobutane structure molecular formula is C4H8. It is a 4-member ring structure known as cyclobutane. Cyclopentane is a molecular formula is C5H10. It is a 5-member ring. Next is cyclohexane. Cyclohexane formula is C6H12. It is a 6-member ring. 7th, cycloheptane. Molecular formula is C7H14. It is a 7-member ring. Last is cyclodecane and present in ring form structure. So all are the example of cycloalkane. Now discuss about the nomenclature of cycloalkane. Cycloalkane have generally formula is CnH2 or CH2 whole N. It is a formula of cycloalkane where N is 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. In other compound, a number of methane there are two hydrogen atom present in this formula. Unit are joined together to form a ring. They are also called as polymethylene. Now discuss about the common name. The name of cycloalkane is obtained by prefix the number of carbon atom in the ring before the word methylene. The prefix tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, all etc. are the used to present there 4 or 5 carbon atom in the ring. For example, there are example of cycloalkane for common name. It is there are 3 carbon atom present with 6 hydrogen atom. So it in the form of cyclic form, triangle form like structure. It's known as trimethylene. Second, there are 4 carbon atom present with 8 hydrogen. It's known as tetramethylene. There are 6-member ring present in this structure and 6 carbon atom or 12 hydrogen atom present in this structure. It's known as hexamethylene structure. So it is a nomenclature of common name. Next point is aliphatic name. In this system, the saturated alicyclic compounds are named by prefixing the word cyclo to the name of corresponding open chain alkane, like leaving the same number of carbon atom are the ring. For example, again it is a 3-member ring. There are 3 carbon atom present in this ring and 6 hydrogen atom. So it is a cyclic form structure. It's known as cyclopropane in IUPAC name system. Second is it is a 4-member ring. Again cyclo ring. There are 4 carbon atom present in this structure and 8 hydrogen atom present. So it is known as cyclobutane. Cycloalkanes are represented by the simple geometrical figures. Like first structure is cyclopropane. Cycle-like structure. There are again 3 carbon atoms present in this structure. There are 4 carbon atoms present. It's known as cyclobutane. Next, cyclopentane, because there are 5 carbon atoms present is cyclic. In this cycle, there are 6 carbon atoms present in this cycle-like cyclohexane structure. All are the simple geometrical figure of cycloalkane. In the next point is naming of substituted cycloalkane. The following rules are followed for naming of substituted alkane. First point is the substituted cycloalkane. The numbering is done in such a way the substituent get the lowest possible number in this structure. For example, it is a structure of pentane, cyclic ring structure. There are 5 carbon atoms present in this structure. So numbering will be started from this group because methyl group present in this is methyl group. Methyl group present on at first position. So numbering started from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carbon atom like ring. 5 carbon atom present in this ring and methyl group present in first position. So it is known as methyl cyclopentane. Why it is called methyl cyclopentane? Because first position present is methyl group and it is a cyclic structure and there are 5 carbon atoms present. So it is known as methyl cyclopentane. The second example is again methyl group present first position. Second, numbering is started from this carbon. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. Again, there are 5 carbon atoms present in this cycle and 2 methyl group present different carbon position. First methyl group present in first position and second present on second position. So it is known as 1,2-dimethyl cyclopentane. 1,2-dimethyl cyclopentane. In the second point, if 2 or more substituted are present in the ring, then numbering of the carbon atom of the ring is done in such a way that the substituent will come first in alphabetically order is given the lowest possible number. Provide the substitute which done come first in alphabetic order is given the lowest possible number, provide it does not violate the lowest locane rule. The second example is again it is a cyclic ring. There are 6 member cyclic ring and 2 methyl group at each different position and 1 methyl group methyl substitution present on different position. numbering will be started from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But nomenclature will be started according to alphabetically order. So E is the first letter of according to alphabetically, then M. So name is 4-ethyl 1,2-dimethyl cyclohexane. It is the name of 4-ethyl 1,2-di. Both substitution are the same, so it is known as dimethyl. This ring is cyclohexane and 6-member ring, so hexane, cyclohexane. Third point is, if the ring containing fewer carbon atom than the alkyl group attached to it, the compound is named as a derivative of alkane and the ring is treated as a cycloalkane substitution. Otherwise, its named as a derivative of cycloalkane. For example, so its name is 3. Numbering will be started from this. For derivative of alkene attached on the third position in this chain. Numbering will be started from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 carbon atom and cyclobutane ring present on third carbon atoms. 3 cyclohexane. The next example is, the numbering will be started in this ring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6-member ring and carbon benzene ring attached on first carbon. 1 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash. So its name is 1,1-methyl propyl cyclohexane. 1, this is 1 and 1 dash. Methyl, this is methyl group and number of carbon 3. So propyl. 1 dash methyl propyl cyclohexane. Next example is, if the number of carbon atom in the ring as well as side chain are same, the preference is given to the ring and the side chain is considered as a substituent. In this structure, the naming again starting from 1 dash and 2 dash. 1, 2 and 3. 1 dash methyl. The name is 1 dash methyl, which one methyl, ethyl cyclobutane. Name is 1 methyl ethyl because there are 2 carbon, 1 and 2, and 1 methyl group is methyl and ethyl cyclobutane. Next example is, if the side chain containing a multiple bond or functional group, the acyclic ring is treated as the substituted irrespective of the size of the ring. For example, in this structure, the numbering will be started from this side because double bond is present in both carbon atoms. So numbering is started from this 1, 2 and 3. Name is 3 cyclopropyl Why write 2 in? Because there is double bond present between both carbon atoms, so it is known as 1 in. The cyclic so it is known as 3-cyclopropyl, means 1 2 3 3 carbon atom है, so 3-propyl pro 1E. Next example is numbering will be started from 1 2 3 and 4. Its name is 4-cyclohexyl 3-in-2-1. Its name is 4-cyclohexyl. Number of कार्बन 1 2 3 4 4 के ब्यूट थर्ड पोजीशन पे डबल बॉन्ड है तो E एंड सेकेंड पर ऑन, सो इट इज नोन एज 4-cyclohexyl ब्यूट 3-in-2-1. Multiple bond is present in the ring, then numbering is done in much a way that multiple bond gets lowest number. The number will be started from between this double bond 1 2 3 and 4. The numbering is started between 1 2 3 and 4. Its name is cyclobute-1A. Why is called as cyclobute-1A? Because it is a cyclic structure. There are carbon is 4 carbon atoms, so bute and double bond, a double bond is present, pi bond is present between the first and second carbon, so 1E. So it is known as cyclobute-1A. The next example is 1 2 3 4 5. The name is cyclo-1-1-4. Its name is cyclopenta-1,4-di, because pi bond is present between first and second, fourth and third and fourth. So 1,4-di-E. The next point is stability. Although cycloalkane do not possess the same degree of stability as it depends on the heat of combustion, the stability of the cycloalkane and heat of combustion are inversely proportional. That is, high the heat of combustion per CH2 group, less stable is the cycloalkane. It is a table of enthalpy of combustion per CH2 group in cycloalkane. There are two parts. First is cycloalkane, example of cycloalkane, and H combustion in kilojoule per mole CH2 group. The first example is cyclopropane. The heat combustion in kilojoule per mole per CH2 group is 697.05. The second example is cyclobutane. The heat of combustion H combustion in kilojoule per mole per CH2 group is 685.7, and cyclopentane 664.0, and cyclohexane is 658.6. All are the heat combustion in kilojoule per mole per CH2 group. Heat combustion is the quantity of the heat evolved on the burning a mole of compound in excess of air. The relative stability of cycloalkane can be explained on the basis of the comfort which the cycloalkane ring open up. Lesser the stability of cycloalkane, more easily the ring open occur. Give below are some conditions for hydrogenation of cycloalkane. The open up the cycloalkane. There are three examples of when hydrolyzation of cyclopropane in the presence of nickel with 80 degrees Celsius temperature, the formation of open chain propane structure. Next is when the hydrogenation of cyclobutane in the presence of nickel, the required temperature is 200 degrees Celsius, the formation of butane When the hydrogenation of cyclopentane in the presence of nickel 300 degrees Celsius, the formation of pentane. All the example hydrogenation of alkyl cycloalkane group. The above mentioned reaction indicated that the stability of the cyclopropane is less among all the other cycloalkane. The ring stability will increase the ring size. It is a 3-member ring, it is a 4-member ring, and it is a 5-member ring. Increase the stability. 3-member ring stability is as comparison to cyclobutane is less. Between the comparison between the cyclobutane and cyclopentane stability, the higher stability of cyclopentane as comparison to cyclobutane. Increase the ring size, that the largest the ring greater is its stability. The stability of up to 6-membered cycloalkane in increase the order is given below. It is the increasing order of cyclopropane is smaller as comparison to cyclobutane. Cyclobutane is small as comparison to cyclopentane, and cyclopentane is lower as comparison to cyclohexane. All are the description of stability of cycloalkanes.